Take a 1-quart mason jar and seed of choice. You can use broccoli, alfalfa, crimson clover, fenugreek, mustard. There are many different kinds, it doesn't matter, the process is the same. Place 1 tablespoon seed of choice into the 1-quart mason jar. Now fill the jar half full with cold water. Then, place over the top a section of fabric, such as used t-shirt or cheesecloth. Then secure the cloth with a rubber band. Alternatively, you can purchase specifically made plastic lids that work very well for a very long time. Now take this water and seed mixture and place in an area where it will not be disturbed. 12 hours later. Now take the jar with the water and seed mixture that has been soaking for 12 hours and pour it out. You will then fill the jar again with cold water and swish it around to help cleanse the seeds. And this time, pour all the water out and make sure no water remains. You will then take the jar and place it upside down in an area where it will not be disturbed for 12 hours. 12 hours later. Now take the inverted jar of seeds and fill it with cold water, swishing around as you do so. Now again, simply pour the water out of the jar, being sure to get every last bit of water out. You do not want them to sit in any stagnant water. Now place the inverted jar again in a location where it will not be disturbed for 12 hours. 12 hours later. Now simply continue this process of rinsing every 12 hours or every morning and every night. It is very important you do not skip a rinsing. If you do, it is likely they will dry out and die, in which case you will notice a very foul smell coming from them. If this happens, simply discard and start over. After 2 to 3 days of this process, you will see the white sprout emerge. You can begin eating from this point onwards. It is generally best to eat them when they are young and fresh. It is desirous to formulate a continual harvest system where 1 jar is soaking, 1 jar is sprouting, and 1 jar is for eating.